So come in, have a seat, because today you're in the good life.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl R.I. here. We're just kind of getting ready for the day. Happy first week of March. We made it. What are your plans for March? Let me know in the comments what your plans are for this March, okay? My plans are to eat very healthily as much as possible. I kind of want to start a challenge. It's called the OMAD challenge. OMAD, O-M-A-D, stands for 1 meal a day. There was a doctor who asked, like a doctor on nutrition or whatever, if you want to live a healthy life, you know, the best healthy life as possible, what do you suppose we do? And he said, if you want to live a healthy life, eat 1 meal a day. I was like, what? I've seen lots of stories on YouTube and stuff like that about people who have done the OMAD diet and literally have lost so much weight. Now, I don't want to be like, oh, you need to lose weight, blah, blah, blah. Which, I mean, if you are overweight, you know, or you are struggling, if you have lots of visceral fat, you know, around your stomach, you know, area and stuff like that. So, you know, that is unhealthy, okay? This is not about not liking yourself or whatever. That is metabolically and physically unhealthy to have that much fat around your organs, you know? And I feel like people of today struggle with how to lose weight and how to maintain a healthy weight because, you know, we're given the wrong guidelines from the American Heart Association. I have been doing keto carnivore, where you eat high fat, high protein, and as little to no carbs as possible. And I'm telling you, it was hard. I'm not gonna lie, especially the first like 3 weeks. It was hard, you know? But after you get through that period, you know, and you kind of like, what's the word? Oh God. Okay, because like you literally withdraw from sugar. I didn't even know that was a thing. I'm like, you know, you hear that about like drugs and, you know, if you're an alcoholic or whatever, but you literally withdraw from sugar, you know? So once you get through that, I mean, it's pretty much smooth sailing. Like, do I still have some cravings for some sweets? Oh, I saw a roll of candy in front of me the other day and I was like, oh, you know? But it's not so prevalent anymore, you know? It's not like the forefront of me to try to get some sweet. I still have my coffee in the morning. I've kind of switched to half and half because that's like a little bit better for me. I'm losing about like maybe 2 pounds every week. We're coming down, you know, 5 more pounds and we'll be down 15 pounds. And I started in the middle of January and here we are, it's March 7th, you know. I'm doing minimal exercise, really. Just my regular like work that I do during the day, you know. I'm not really just like at the gym just busting it, you know, down and stuff like that. I have a family and stuff like that, so sometimes I can't really get to the gym. I do lots of like walking workouts, but sometimes when I don't feel like working out, you know, I don't. if I don't feel like working out, I just don't. You know, and long as I continue to eat high protein, high fat, I stay away from vegetable seed oils, you know, and all those carbs, rice, potatoes, you know, all those nightshades like bell pepper, you know, potatoes are nightshades, eggplants, you know, all those things with like heavy seeds, you know, heavy seed oils and heavy seed. Long as I stay away from those things, I feel great. You know, I'm steadily losing weight, you know, and I'm not in the gym like a hound, you know. So I just want to encourage you for this month of March. Like I said, I'm going to be doing like a few shorter videos, but eventually we will work up to me doing some of my longer videos. I'm still doing my perfume videos, and honey, do I have some perfume videos for you guys. Okay, we're coming into spring. We're coming into spring, and with spring leads to all these new smells that I'm so excited for. I hope this video helps in some type of way. Happy Monday to you all. Love you so much.